Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 25th and the chart of the day for today is the triple Q Nasdaq 100 ETF. We are breaking higher again here, and currently if we zoom out, this is the 4-hour time frame. We are getting very close to break above the previous all-time high. This one was before Trump announced the trade war, right? And here the low here we survive over the weekend after the bombing of Iran continues to extend higher. Now we are more or less we can say we have broken above the peak, even though it's kind of still missing by a little bit. You can see the last peak here was 541.28 and currently 540.70, right? So yes, still not yet completely broken, but I think more or less we have already broken in my view. Okay, so here we are now in the wave 5 in the intermediate degree. This is the 3 and the 4 in the 1-hour time frame here. So that's your 1 and 2 here, right? So this is a 3 waves here, so you can see 1 2 3. It's not a 5 waves. So this is best labeled as a 1 2 here, and then nesting another 1 2 in the lower degree here, right? Something like this. So 1 2 1 2. Now that we make a new high above this, so it's kind of more or less relatively confirmed that it is indeed a 5 waves rally from here, and it is indeed bullish, because not only that we have a 5 waves, but we also break to new high, right? So then now the more aggressive view calling for extension higher. So once this with 1 here, 1 of 5 is finished, a pullback should find support in 3711 and then continues to extend higher again within with 5. So that's the more sort of aggressive bullish view. The less aggressive bullish view will be considering this new high as the end of wave 5 already. So instead of ending 1 of 5, then that new high could be your entire wave 5. Now if that's the case, then this cycle ends, but since we more or less breaks to new high, then the pullback is going to be a bigger 3 waves pullback correcting this. But because we do get a break to new high, then most likely this is going to hold and then extends higher. So this is the alternate, looking for a bigger pullback yet again to correct this entire rally from April 7 in a bigger 3 waves before the next leg up. Now the more bullish scenario is that wave 5 is not yet ending, even though we do make a new high, and that will extend a little bit more as a 5 wave subdivision, in which we're just ending the 1 of 5, right? And then we will see 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5 of 5 before we finish this entire rally from April, then get another bigger 3 pullback. So despite the bullishness, it still doesn't change the fact that this cycle starting from April 7, which is the bottom after the tariff war, that cycle is mature, right? I mean, there is no question that cycle is mature, even though yes, it can extend higher still, but it's still mature regardless. And in other words, technically speaking, we could at any time end these 5 waves here, because we have already made a new high. So this wave 5 could be ending anytime. From technical point of view, you cannot rule that out. And then we can see a bigger pullback happening because cycle is mature. But our calling is still in a more aggressive side, which is to say that the wave 5 can still continue to extend into another 5 waves before we finish this cycle and then see a bigger pullback. And the alternate being we finish already very soon and then see a bigger pullback already. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates on triple Q or any other ETF, stocks, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and I will provide the link in the description of the video. Here is our website. Again, the link is going to be in the description of the video. You can check the 14 days trial, only 99 cents for new members, right? Then after that, you can check plan and pricing for the various plans we have. And also, if you want to check educational classes for learning Elliott Wave, you can check this link over here. We got a couple of different options for you. All right, so that's the update for today. I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.